Okay, starting with numerical 10.6, solve numerical. Consider a closely wound 1000-turn coil. So we have a number of turns, that is 1000. Having radius 1 meter, we have radius that is 1 meter. If a current of 10 ampere, here we have current of 10 ampere passes through the coil, what will be the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center? So magnetic field at the center, the formula for that is B is equal to mu naught I upon 2r, okay, into the number of turns at the center. Magnetic field at the center of the coil is given by this formula, and that is mu naught upon I upon 2r into the number of turns. Mu naught is nothing but 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Current is 10 ampere. Number of turns 1000 upon 2 into radius, that is 1. Now 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. This 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 10 raised to 4. 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Here we have 2 into what is pi? 3.142 into. Now 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is 10 raised to minus 3. Right? 4 minus 7. 5, 6, 7, 3. Minus 3 because 7 is bigger. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. 0.23s are 6. 6.284 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. Or you can also write it as 6.28 because 4 is not equal to 5, not greater than 5. So we can just cancel it and write this number as 6.28 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. This will be the magnetic field at the center of the coil.